And now let's go ahead and do a post vacuuming of the carpets. Start with this area right here. Just move the camera back a little bit. And that should be set for a good post vacuum. Definitely a good idea to post vacuum, and honestly, if I can, I will post vacuum even if it's not a Kirby shampooer, because there's always something to vacuum out of a carpet. It's just a given. So here we go. Position the camera so that it's facing back here, and I'll do the other part. Wow, I'm gonna give you guys a closer view of this from this angle. Look at how good, well, I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but that is definitely a difference. This carpet actually fluffs up really good now. Really good. So, yeah, it fluffs up way better than it did before. So I think it was in a really good need of a good shampoo. So it is a bit of a good thing I did some shampooing today. I'm thankful I did. Because not only was there some dirty water, but there was also, there's a difference. Post vacuum this blue rug right here, and then we'll be good to go. Wow. Yeah, look at that. That is gorgeous. Yeah, the shampoo definitely did something for this carpet. The blue rug is probably not going to be as much of a difference. I basically shampooed what I could of this rug because I didn't want to waste any shampoo that I didn't have to. here we go. And that's it for this post vacuum. Definitely a difference. I'll go around and show you all what I mean by a huge difference. You see this? Well, yeah. This carpet is definitely looking a lot better than what it was. I mean, it's still pretty much, this carpet is pretty much in a wreck. It actually needs to be replaced badly, but the shampooing definitely made it look a lot better than what it was. I am happy I got around to shampooing it today. Let's see, is there still enough lighting? It's a little darker over here now, but I guess you guys still get the idea. So definitely a major improvement over what it was last time. So thanks for watching, and yeah.